Hi everyone, myself Ashwin. I am a passed out of 2017 batch from SKCT. So I pursued instrumentation and control engineering, and right now I'm working as a product engineer in Gojek. So, talking about ICE department, it is like small but very lively and aspiring department. I see like here faculties are like really like mentoring and like guiding the people based upon their aspiration. So, just to pick an example from what I experienced there. So, out there in my batch, there are people like who are really inspired to get into the software industry. At the same time, there are people who are like really interested in core industry, and there are like different set of people who are like interested to pursue their masters in abroad and within India using gate exam. So their all aspirations are like considered and they have been guided accordingly. So this is one such thing like I see like which should be really encouraged, and already it is happening within the department, I could say. So completing the engineering degree with instrumentation, which gives you a wider perspective of the different engineering branches. So you can decide your career accordingly, whether you want to be in software or you want to be in like core industry. So let's say in core industry we have the highly diversified portfolio, whether you want to be in an into an electrical part, more of electrical, or you want to be in the petroleum industries or something like that. So it has a very diversified portfolio, I would say. So when I speak directly about the placement part, like so they have given like what is best they can do. So like of course software jobs are not no more question within like the see Krishna as an institution, because they are doing really great when it comes to the overall engineering colleges. So talking about the core placements, of course, being India as a company, we are not like very much good wide opportunities of industries around us. So like the opportunities are less, but nevertheless like we have opportunities outside, like in Gulf countries like Kuwait, Qatar, Oman, where instrumentation engineering are like a core part for their vital engineering in day-to-day in their day-to-day activities within their plants. So, just to elaborate my little journey after completing my graduation in SKCT. So, like I was eventually able to like attend the campus interview which was held in SKCT, and I was offered by Accenture, and I was working for Accenture for close to like 1.5 years as associate software engineer. And later on, I was just looking for some career opportunities out there in product-based companies. So eventually, I just landed up with a job on like R&D QA engineer for the company Dassault Systems, who is working on their mechanical-based design softwares. And I was like part of their flagship product called Innovia, which is used for engineering the whole industry, starting from the raw materials and till it goes to industry as a finished product. So recently, like again, I just started exploring my career, and I just ended up cracking an offer with a company called Gojek, which is a Indonesian startup unicorn, where they are working on a concept called super app. So basically like they have all kinds of like online services. So I could in layman terms I could say like so this all the Swiggy, Zomato, Ola, Uber, Google Pay, Phone Pay are all compiled into a single application, and the services provided seamlessly. And there is a huge interaction between these services, starting from the payment and processes. So it's been a quite interesting journey being a product engineer. So I'm just telling all these things in order to get a better perspective. How can you set your roadmap post your engineering degree? So, as a aspiring student, so you might be having some question regarding the current industry or the job profile or any kinds of like career aspiration questions. So if you feel that I'll be the right person to answer, you can just reach out to me via email or LinkedIn. So which I'll be disclosing at the end of this video. And like apart from everything, so the one thing I want to deliver before I conclude this video is like I know we are in a state of pandemic and we have not used to it, but still we have to go through it. So apart from career and any other things, like the most priority thing is like to take care of ourselves and our loved ones, because once you step out of the house and things are getting miserable these days, and lot of uncertainties are happening. So and despite of everything, like we are the generation who are blessed with something called internet, so which can like really make your things still progress by sitting into the home. So start exploring internet and try to use it as much as possible. And so if it is a other day where you don't have an internet, and all the last 1.5 years is gonna be a blocker for you guys for progressing towards your career, but still we have internet in our hands. So this is not gonna block us. Start progressing and be safe. Thank you so much for your time.